Hi, folks. In this video, I will show you how to install mudguards on a 2025 Camry without taking off the wheels. If you need consultation on any project in mechanical or biomedical engineering, contact our 3 Consulting and Management. We mostly followed the instructions provided by Toyota. The OEM mudguards we bought from a Toyota dealer came with 2 bags of hardware. Before installation, make sure that all the pieces are in the bags and do not lose any. Here is the list of the tools we used, but we did not use any drill. Also, we used Phillips screwdriver bits number 2 and number 3. We used a pair of pliers for drilling, and we will talk about the details later. In fact, for screwdriver bits, you can use whatever you deem appropriate. For drill bits, we did not have the 9/32 inch drill bit, so we used the 1/4 inch and wiggled it a little bit in the hole at the end. To do the installation, first turn the steering wheel to the full right. This will expose the area where the front right mudguard will be installed. We did not remove the bolt in location D. This was not necessary for performing the task in 2D. However, we did remove the pin above A to do 2D. If you don't know how to remove a pin, you can look it up on YouTube. If you don't know how to remove a bolt, you should ask a Toyota dealer to install the mudguards. For this step, just follow the instructions. This is the step where you need a little creativity. Unless you take the wheel off, a drill won't fit into the workspace. Some 90-degree tools won't fit either, so we drilled the hole by hand without taking the wheel off. The panel is plastic, so it is not so intimidating. Hold the drill bit in your hand and push it against the plastic panel, then turn clockwise. It is easy to turn by hand at the beginning. Once the drill bit bites into the plastic, it will become difficult to turn. Now turn the drill bit with a pair of pliers, while pushing the drill bit against the plastic panel with your fingers. After you start to use pliers, you only need a few turns, definitely less than 10, to drill through. It took us about 1 minute to finish the hole at location E. For location F, it took a little longer because we had to lie on the concrete floor. This is probably the easiest step. As stated in the title, we did not remove the wheel, as suggested in this step. Using the experiences we gained with installing the front right mudguard, we drilled 2 more holes here, taking less than 2 minutes. We were a little intimidated by step 5D at the beginning, but all the different parts described here were clear and obvious once you pull the liner forward. For the screws at locations A and B, most screwdrivers won't fit into the workspace here. What we did was hold the driver bit tightly against the screw and turn the driver bit with the pliers. This may be the second easiest step. For this step, note that the pin at location D is hollow at center, so the screw drives right into the pin at location D. Most screwdrivers won't fit into the workspace here. What we did was hold the driver bit tightly against the screw and turn the driver bit with the pliers. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, please contact our 3 Consulting and Management.